Hello friends, very good evening and welcome back to my channel Exploring Nature. Friends, today I have got something very interesting and really crazy stuff for you all. This is the tripod of Vanguard make which I was using, and this was a beautiful tripod, and it has got 3 folds. I was just using this tripod for this particular box. This is basically my DSLR casing, which I generally use for DSLR Trap Camera Photography. And in fact, I also made one mount as well, which has been die casted. You can see the mount, which is basically the duplicate of the original one. This is the original mount, and this is the die casted mount, which was made and was fixed here earlier to this wooden thing. Tripod plate was earlier being used to mount it on this particular tripod. Generally, why do we use this particular setup on a tripod? To get a better angle of the subject and to get to adjust your frame in a better way. This tripod I have been using it mostly, like, say, about 100 days, 150 days in the wilderness, where it has been withstanding against the rain for the whole day. It has been withstanding the direct sunlight, so definitely it gave up after some point of time. And you can see very clearly that now mostly the lever which used to be here for tightening up the movement of this particular this particular mount in 360-degree was damaged. I had to fix it up with the erudite knot. So now this I felt that this tripod is not taking up the weight of this particular setup. So then I brainstormed a lot. I went to a lathe here in my hometown and got something crazy which was going on in my mind, and then we thought to build one. So here is the tripod, which is little bit heavy. Definitely it's heavier than that one. So let me tell you about this particular tripod. It has the tightening screw which tightens the plate here, and it is ball headed one, so you can adjust the angle very easily, and you can also rotate it 360-degree to select the frame accordingly. And this one is for the adjustment of the height of the tripod. It doesn't look very good and it's a bit heavy, but is made up of galvanized iron, so it will not catch rust as well. That's what the lathe people they said. And moreover, it's a tough boy, very tough. So it will take a good amount of weight basically, and I can easily keep my, see, now you can mount this and you can use it like this. So yeah, so it's steady and you can adjust the angles as per your demand, and it's ready to go. And you can Also accordingly you can set the height of the tripod. This is basically this is the mostly this is the maximum height of this tripod, and as we want to take low angle shots of the subject. Generally we try to keep it as low as possible to get the low angles. So this is the lowest angle you can make it to. So apart from just camera and the lenses, there are lot many things you need to consider when you are into wildlife photography. This casing was made by me. In fact, I actually made this case. Stay tuned. Slowly I will unveil how this box has been designed, and I will also show you my flash boxes which has been designed by me, and how I have designed it and what did I use to design them, and also the tricks about DSLR Trap Camera Photography. Who said that you cannot do wildlife photography using small lens?